但是同朋友。
美国2个月内已经倒3间银行，加州的第一共和银行互接管了后，即马确定了后会由摩根大通银行升起来做，嘛会收买第一共和银行大部分的资产。
伫咧旧金山的第一共和银行是美国2个月内倒去的第3间中型银行。美国联邦存款保险公司 FDIC 吹预讲，第一共和银行伫北维州的84间分行，将会以摩根大通银行的分行重新开业，存款户唔免担心家己的存款。
The government stands behind your money. You have nothing to worry about. I think the real impact of this is going to come through the impact on mom and pop, but not because they're exposed to risk on their deposits, because they're not. You're going to see the mortgage market stay tighter than it otherwise might have. You're going to see the market for car loans, for credit cards.
摩根大通银行将会付106亿美金予美国联邦存款保险公司来收购第一共和银行大部分的资产。根据协议，摩根大通将会承担第一共和1730亿美金的贷款、300亿美金的借款，加920亿美金的存款。
They specialize in tech executives. They specialize in high service to wealthy people. So there's inherently a little bit more flight risk there. Second of all, part of the service they gave to those people were loans that were pretty generous in many respects, and that made their assets more vulnerable.
美联社报道，自从矽谷银行加 Signature Bank 倒去了，第一共和银行的经营就真困难，因为伊有真侪无保险存款加低利率贷款的风险，投资人加存款户拢真担心伊会倒去。美国总统拜登昨日对这件案件表示懊恼，因为到尾也是无予纳税人承担，也再一遍呼吁对大型银行加地区性银行加强监管。公司新闻吴文玲编译。
今仔日国际上。